Hey guys, welcome back. It's day 16 of my 30-day vlog challenge, and today it's Sunday and night 11:40 p.m. I'm recording this video quite tired, but the thing is, this video is about video for your business. If you're starting with video marketing, or if you want to make more videos for your business, and this can be very helpful for you. So what are the easiest way you can start creating videos? The first thing is frequently asked questions. So you know what are the questions your customers frequently have, and those questions you can take it up and make tiny videos, and you can have it in your website or you can keep it in YouTube. So people, when they search for a problem related to your business or related to your services, they can find your videos, and these frequently asked question videos can send good amount of traffic to your website too. Apart from that, how to videos. So if I'm selling websites, so websites are part of a marketing strategy, maybe online presence. So I can speak about how to improve the online presence. I can speak about proper landing page strategies, effective landing page optimization, all these videos which is related to website and landing pages. So these are two styles of video. One is about how to videos which you can get traffic from, and another one is frequently asked questions we can always have in your website, or you can have it in internet where people can search and find it. And the third one, if you are having a website, okay, a new customer or a customer who's looking for a product or service have searched and come to your website, this is an essential video. So as Simon Sinek says, start with why. So starting with why is a very interesting part. So say why you are into this industry and what problem you are solving and why you are doing this business. So start with why. So answer this question: why you are into business. Suppose even you are making website, or you are a digital marketing agency, there are many other agencies, and why you have chosen to start a digital marketing agency, and how you are solving one particular problem for your audience. Mention your specialty and what you are excellent in, what you are known for, and this is something which is people love to hear. They know there are plenty of doctors, but why I choose this doctor, and I have a story for that. So share your story in that video. And number two, always have social proofs. Share videos of your customers, the customer experience. So how they felt when they did a business with you. Ask them to share it in form of video. They can record it in a phone and send it if they are staying far, or else you can even do a Zoom meeting with them, a teleconference, and then you can record that screen and you can share it. Or if you are having an offline setup, or if your customers can come to your place where you can shoot a video and you can share it. So these are three simple and easiest way to start making videos for your business. So how to videos, FAQs, and start with why. So that is a video which is going to sit inside your website when the right audience are coming in. They are going to watch what is your story, and then the social proof, what your customers feel about your business. So that's it for the day, guys. Try out these things, and if you have any other better suggestion for making videos for business, please do share it in the comments, and we'll meet you in the next video. Thank you so much.